Guys, today I am so happy because I have a new pet which is called a cockatiel. I got it for 400 rupees. He's actually trained. He's right here. Don't. Hey, don't. Hey. Now look guys, this is Shiny, my pet cockatiel. Why didn't I make some videos of this guy? Because my mother here went for a trip, that's why I didn't make. Very good boy. Very, very good boy. Why he will not fly, no? They only break their wings, they cannot fly. But now, they break no wings, they cut some wings and then it's not flying. It will just fly short distance and it's fully trained. I will keep it in my mother's hand. No, it doesn't want. No, it doesn't want. Okay, these guys, if you want and coriander, these birds eat. Remember this, if you have a cockatiel, sunflower seeds, corn, coriander. Just don't give your cockatiel seeds, okay? My cockatiel likes seeds, but you don't give your cockatiel seeds. Bye, have a good time.